Hello everybody, welcome to another Manim tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach how to create a logo for your YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to make a logo for my own channel. How did I make it? So go to the main directory of your Manim and then create a new folder. I create a new folder and name it logo for YouTube. And then just I'm gonna create another py file using VS Code and save it as logo.py. And let's start to code. Firstly, we need to import the libraries we need. So as always, we are importing libraries from manimlib.imports, and we import everything like this. And then we're gonna have our class. I call this pyb, the name of my channel, in scene. We can make the background of the animation any color we want. So here I'm giving you this. I'm going to select the black background right here. So you can change the color for different colors if you want, red, white. Remember, you have to do it in this config. So for config, this is all we need to do, and then we're gonna define the construct function. And then let's create the logo. So my logo includes a circle and the pyb.tv inside that circle. So first let's make the circle. So I use circle syntax, and I consider fill opacity equal to 5. And then I scale the circle by 2. You know, depending on your logo, you can have different scaling, different color, and different background color. So I'm gonna set a filling. The circle I have, I wanna fill it with blue color. So I can have a set fill. So, and after that I'm gonna say which color. Set color. I can set blue. My logo is blue. And I'm gonna have the writing inside. I'm gonna say the text, this text object. The way I want to define it, I'm gonna say my text object to be like a list of pyb and tv, so I can change the colors if I want. I consider this text 1. And then I set the first element of the text 1 list, which is pi, to be yellow, and the rest of them gonna be the same color, white. and I'm gonna say this text gonna be next to circle, okay, and that 0 here is telling that in the center of the this circle, no difference, and then scale it by 2, then it's gonna like match inside the circle, and it's gonna be what we want actually. You know, you need to play a little bit with these numbers in order to have a sense that when you're saying 0 up down, how much it's gonna like shifting and changing. And then you're gonna just say play your you know, you can say the which way you want your logo be played. I want all of them be played all together, so that's why I use one play. If you want to do it like after each other, and then you have to have different play sections actually. And then go to main Manim directory and type cmd. You're gonna have your command prompt open, type python -m manim, and then the directory you had made and your py file is inside, which was logo yt for us, and /logo.py -p. I wanted to be played after the animation is generated. So after animation generated, we're gonna have it played. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted. You can of course have different color for background and everywhere. And then another thing you need to do, you know, after you have your logo, you want it to go to one corner of the screen, right? So to do that, we need to scale the logo down and move it to the corner. I have already done this part, so I'm trying to do it quickly. So I'm gonna have my first text one to be scaled by 0.2, and then the second circle I wanna have, it's gonna be my first circle again scaled by 0.2. So both of them being scaled in the same scale. And then you're gonna transfer the circle you are already scaled to the corner, and you're gonna say down right, and then you're gonna have your text, which is text 2 here, again next to the circle logo with 0 up and down, so it's gonna be in the center, and then with the distance of 0. So let's play them. In order to play, like we have self-play self.play, write circle organize and write text 2, and you're gonna say wait for 1 second. So let's run it, and we should have nice and clear logo animation, which is very good and essential for YouTubers. Okay, and then you want it to go to the corner. Okay, right there. So we made it done. What else we need? We need to have some, you know, if you want to add some text. So let me add text, or you know, before doing that, you can change this color. Let me change it, and you see how it's gonna differ from the previous one. Okay, I will run one more time and see the background will be changed to red. Okay, here it is. This is very nice and enjoyable when you are using Manim. I really love it. Okay, let's add some text. Okay, here is my text tree. So I will help you to create your YouTube channel logo if you need my help. So I'm gonna say this text to go edge up, and then I wanted to move it to the left, so it wanna be in a nice order. And the rest of that, I wanna like my text 4 to be email me your logo in PNG file, so I can work on that for you. And I'm saying next to text 3, down, and also to the left. All of them at the same. I have done the same thing. Only the text 5, I'm saying okay, share, like, and subscribe please. I make it larger and the center, and thanks for your support at the end in the different color. That's all I have done. So all are done in the same way, so you just need to do that and then add play. To play to object as previous, as we always do, self play, but play them like we want them, play one after another. Go to your command prompt and run it. You're gonna see the animations. So yeah, if you send me your PNG of your logo, I can help you to create your animation of your logo. Okay, here it is by BTV, and then I will help to create your YouTube channel logo. Email me your logo, and please share, like, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for your support. Bye bye, have a good day.